Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation. Today I am excited to talk to you about hardware and computer. Throughout this presentation I will walk to through the key point and important insights related to this topic. So let's get started. Introduction. My name is Anugrah Bintang Hermansyah, NIM 1924074, Project English 1. What is hardware? Hardware is all type of component on a computer device that have a physical form, can be seen, touched, and felt. The main function of hardware is to provide support for the main function of the computer. Hardware function. Receive input. The first role of hardware is as a receive of input provided by the device user or user. For example, when you turn on the CPU by pressing the on button to turn on the computer. Second, provide output. The provide a sheet on function or output required by the device user after receiving input. The output will later be given both to the user and to a series of software that are interacted with each other. Third, place to store information and data. Serves as a place to store information and data such as CD, card, and RAM. Next, fourth, process information and data. Serves as a place to process the data in information so that it can be read on your computer screen. Type of computer hardware. First, hardware input. Second, hardware output. First, hardware device. Input hardware is a type of hardware component used to enter raw data and is categorized as an input device. Input hardware help manage data, sounds, text, image, and more. This type of hardware else assists in the progress of transferring file between computer. Hardware output. Hardware component that distribute and display data or information are categorized as output hardware. Monitor, printer, and microfilm. Second material. Computer. Definition of computer. The general definition of a computer is a set of electronic devices that can be used to process data according to various precisely formulated procedures so that I can provide very useful information for each user. Function computer. First, data input. Computer machines are able to access information or data from other sources from outside. Second, data processing. The most important function of a computer is to be able to process data so that later it will be able to procedure output in the form of information. Usually, the data processed in the computer is available in the form of image, text, audio, graphic, and other. Third, data output. The next function of the computer is to be able to provide output result after going through various data processing process. This information can be later be processed using monitor, printing, and speaker. 40. Data strong. Computer can also be present as a place to store data so that the data can be easily found and resolved by the user. 5T, data movement. Another function of a computer is to be able to transfer data from one computer to other computer on various other output equipment. That's enough for the presentation of this material. Apply if 3 is a law of understanding in the briefly. I hope this presentation is insightful and helpful to you.